Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we disconnect earphone to our Poco phone. Friends, you want to disconnect guys your earphone to your Poco phone. So how can we disconnect earphone to our Poco phone guys? In this video friends I will show you guys. So first of all guys we will on our phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, scroll friends, you can see phone Bluetooth setting guys. Click on your phone Bluetooth setting friends. Friends, you can see guys we have connected this ubon CL20 earphone. Friends, we want to disconnect. So my right side arrow guys, tap here. Friends, you can see this unpair option mean guys disconnect setting guys. Tap here to disconnect guys. You can not use your earphone guys. Earphone will disconnect to your phone guys. We will off our phone Bluetooth setting. So like that guys, you can disconnect your earphone to your Poco phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.